Children, today you can see some items on the table. These are sports items. Well, tell me, what do you like the most? I know your answer would be to play. Every child likes to play. Today, in chapter 3 of your textbook, Fairs and Sports, we will read about sports. Today there is sports day in Jiti's school. Let's see in which game Jiti is participating. On seeing Jiti running ahead of all, the students started clapping with joy. To everybody's surprise, a loud roar, happy wins, went the sky. Jiti wins was the counter side's claim. So, there were two groups of students. One group was supporting Happy and the other group was with Jiti. Finally, students turned to their teacher, Mrs. Sukhdeep, who smilingly said, "Participation in games is more important than to lose or win, and Happy is the winner of this race." At this announcement, most of the students unanimously shouted, "Madam, but Jiti was ahead all the time. How could Happy be the winner?" The teacher said, "No doubt Jiti was running ahead of all the competitors in the race, but in the last part of the race, Happy took rapid strides and touched the ribbon." So, dear children, there are some rules that help us to play the games properly. It becomes easy to decide the winner with the help of these rules. Referee or the umpire settles the disputes during the games. Students, you know games make us healthy, so we must play some games. Some games are played inside the house and many are played outside the house. The games which we play inside the house are Ludo, Carrom board, chess, etc. The games which we play outside the house in the playground are cricket, hockey, races, wrestling, etc. Children, do you know which is our national game? Yes, hockey is our national game. To play hockey, we need hockey stick, ball, net, and helmet for the goalkeeper. Many players had took part in this game and had got fame. The girls are also taking part in this game. These are some pictures from your textbook. Today we will know about these pictures. Look at this picture. Sunita Rani, and she has been honored with Padam Shri Award. Now look at this picture. This picture is of Dr. Rupa Saini. She has brought fame to the country in the game of hockey. So, she has been awarded with Arjuna Award. And now, look at this picture. This picture is of Manjeet Kaur. In the field of athletics, she is also known as Golden Girl. She has also been honored with Arjuna Award. Children, look at this picture. Yes, this picture is of Milkha Singh. He has been honored with Padam Shri Award. And now, your homework. Children, you have to write the answers to these questions. The first question is, what is the importance of sports rules? And the second question is, who is your favorite sports star? So children, write answers to these questions in your notebook in very good handwriting.